Hi everyone, it's Mona, and I want to walk us through one more inventory video. This is about internal stock use. This is just whenever we open and use products that we do not charge the customer for. So if you're putting it on the invoice, whether you put it on the invoice and it has a cost next to it, or whether you put it on the invoice and it has a zero charge next to it, like you zeroed it out, that's fine. You don't have to come to the internal stock use area if you put it on an invoice. But if it's product, often the case is we are working kennels and we see that the kennel dog food is going to need to be replenished. We usually pull more dog food out of our food closet. But instead of telling one of the managers, hey, I pulled a bag of dog food out, or I pulled a bag of pill pockets out, or CE2 chews to use in the back for hospitalized patients or for boarders, you can come in here and it will deplete the inventory without using an invoice. So you'll come in here, inventory, internal stock use. You're going to select what item it was. Oops. In this case, it's going to be dog food. That code is 3112. And you'll click on that. It'll go ahead and put the item that you searched up, in this case, dog food. It'll have the unit of measure, which is you used 1 bag. You need to insert the quantity. You used 1 bag. The date that you opened the bag. And for dog food, you'll probably likely have to insert the expiration date, but not the lot number. In fact, you won't have to worry about it. In fact, if you just tab through, if it lets you, if it lets you enter a lot number and expiration date, then you need to put one. If it is grayed out and you cannot enter a lot number and expiration date, then you don't have to worry about it, to make your life simple. Here, the Family Animal Hospital Cost Center is the one you will always use. You won't need to use the other ones. The only person who will use the other ones is likely the inventory manager. And you don't have to worry about the sales tax or the cost boxes. So that's pretty simple, I think. I will say if it is something like Euthanol, a controlled substance, or a vaccine, something that we are going to be tracking lot numbers and expiration dates for, then you will need to have those numbers to deplete the inventory properly. So basically, you can't leave any of these unfilled if it allows you to enter something there. If it is grayed out, then you can ignore the box and you don't have to fill it in. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is useful. Talk to y'all later.